throughout your career, you've had three monikers, which is the Girl Them Sugar, the Doctor, and the latest one is the King of Dancehall. Okay. Which one came first, Doctor or Girl Them Sugar?
Girl Them Sugar.
Okay. How did you even adopt that moniker in the first place?
I don't mean them call me so. Them let me sing the song. Them call me the Girl Them Sugar. Yeah, them let me sing the song because everywhere I'm going to have more female fans than male fans. If I sing bad man show, woman did more than man when it comes to my part. So yeah, that is the reason why them call me the Girl Them Sugar. Now you end up at universities like Barbados, Trinidad, America, England, everywhere I go, them call me one university. So this is how we get doctorate. There you go, from the University of the West Indies. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. When it came to dancehall, especially back in the 80s, we know the original who you heard of as a doctor would have been Early B. That's why a lot of people said, okay, how is Beenie Man the doctor? I guess that was where the whole confusion was there.
Oh, okay. No, it was university. They gave me the doctorate of lyrics. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Early B was a doctor because that was a nickname. All right. You see, where people know that back in the days, everybody that take general and lieutenant and ranking, Early B never won him. Early B ranking is why Early B the doctor. So him choose the doctor as theme thing, theme ratings. Yeah. So at that time I need to know because Nicodemus. Him was the coolest man in the dancer, so he was Mr. Cool. You see? And then you have Super Cat, the Wild Apache. Every man have a nickname. Yeah, that's the problem. So, when Early B get the doctor, that was the days. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like Al Yellowman. Remember King Yellowman in the name, that in Bossers. Yeah. Mm-hmm. So yeah.
So even with that here now, because you're king of the dance hall, so then again, a lot of people were up in arms. Oh, Yellow Man is the king, but people are saying, no, Beenie Man is the king. What? Are there two kings, one king, or it's two different things we're talking about? How do you see it from your point of view?
Yellowman, boss as King Yellowman, but I never crowned him king. I was crowned by music and industry in Jamaica and some fest with a lot of trophies from other places and other peoples. Yeah. I was crowned king first time, and I think it was an MTV concert. I was doing an MTV concert, me and Diego Calderon. He was the guy for the the Spanish music, reggaeton. Yeah, so I have to eventually end up in a competition. Jesus Christ. The item of data people. Yeah. Since I am doing an interview. Yeah, so that the first time MTV did give me a crown, like King of the Dancer. So I think when I reach back to Jamaica now, I think I'm follow up with that, with the Reggae Sunfest thing, because it was a big thing, Reggaeton versus dancehall, and me and up a DJ Spanish lyrics. No, remember, I freestyle freestyle Spanish. Then I learned Spanish a little bit in a ring and just find two words and that's a brut, but I'm going to do it in English. So we get most forward, so we win the competition. So that was it. Yeah.
This podcast is brought to you by www.twolinedmusichut.com.